Your boy JB from the 3 coming at you with the first live cop of the season, week 1 Supreme Spring Summer 2020. I'm on Discord with the boys right now. I'm pretty much set up, as you can see. We got Meek over here, Zippo, Hologram, Bling board, hella Tupac tees. Well, not hella, but decent amount. It's 10:59, boys. We're starting tasks. Oh my gosh. There's no way this is happening. My Meek is freezing. My Meek is causing my computer to oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm trying to. Oh nah. My Meek froze on me. I don't have time for that. Alright, we're going manual, guys. We're going manual. That is crazy, Meek. You really did that to me. That's some whole. We got like less than 15 seconds, boys. Less than 15 seconds. Alright, here goes the shenanigans. It's not loading. Yep, not loading. Shop. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's not good. I feel like it's gonna load in about 11:02ish. I'm just keeping my pages refreshed. I got a Chrome extension that does like the refresh for you, but I don't want to like have it refresh as I'm like doing something. All right, we live, boys. How do I view all t-shirts? Boom. Yo, it sent me back to the beginning. T-shirts. Boom. Bro, it's dicking me right now. It is dicking me. Oh my god. Bro, add to cart. I'm trying. So it's sold out. Oh no, it's not. Just kidding. Check out. I don't like this, my nigga. This shit is tweaking. On my mother, I can't check out. Oh, just kidding. I'm in there. My nigga, I'm checking out a T right now. Oh, come on. What the My nigga, I lost the cart. I keep losing my cart. Bro, I can't get back into Supreme. I can't even get back on Supreme. Bro, Supreme is tweaked. Bro, I had to open a whole new task. Let me view my. Bro, I can't clean my cart or anything. Yo, I almost submitted payment on fucking. Bro, I can't even. This is OD terrible, y'all boy. Supreme y'all, ooh wee. Nigga, who you telling? I'm like beyond bent right now. Every time I try to clean my cart. Oh my god. Yo, this is bro, I can't even get back on Supreme. Submitting payment errors, all kind of shit is going on right now, bro. So you mean to tell me I'm taking an L on week 1? I can't get through either, bro. No cap. Like I'm switching over to my laptop now because that's just so dead for me right now. I'm about to try and grab a hat if they're not sold out. Bro, I can't add the cart over here either. I think the site is just... I know. Oh, finally got in cart. Oh, I'm still in the same freaking loop I was... Oh my gosh. Bruh. Even on a bot is getting the same loop, bro. It's submitting payment and then invalid and just goes right back to what it was doing before. How, Sway? Bro, I can still... Okay. Oh, I finally removed it from my... Hey, I finally think I'm finna get through. But goddamn. Please. My name is John Butler. Hey, delete all your cookies and shit real quick. Cookies, like your history. That way you can get back on the Supreme site without it having any issues. Go to settings. And then go to, it's gonna ask you like cookies and like shit like that. Yo, I can't, a young nigga cannot check out, bro. What the fuck? Alright, so I'm stuck on processing on this. I'm stuck on processing on my laptop. This shit right here is beyond me. I don't want to mess up my cart, bro. We all doing the same thing. Yo, come on. Your shipping address must match the billing address. Oh shit, here we go with the Bro, I'm like on processing, please. Card payment error. Unfortunately, we cannot process. Oh my god. I had card decline. fucking Zippo, and then I got a t-shirt. I got a t-shirt and cart. I mean, not a t-shirt, a hat and cart too right now. I'm trying to check out both, but at the moment we're catching goddamn L's, bro. Yeah, my junk is not. Oh my gosh, I have the wrong. 29407. The website's doing better now, no cap. I But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this up. We just gonna edit out and cut out what we need to cut out. But it's been your boy JB from the 3. As you can see, somewhat successful day. We got a few items, but we'll come back and wrap this up once I get the final of what I actually copped and what I did not. But y'all take it easy. It's been week 1 with the boy. Peace.
I guess if I could give you any color